Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss and teach you on how to write a program that will display hello world in C++ without semicolon. So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell guys so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here in the notepad, we have here sharp include IOStream for input output. Basically guys, every C++ program has this library file for input output or else our program will not work properly. Using namespace std, int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C++ program. So basically, when you compile and run your program, the compiler will search this function and then it will execute. The same way when we terminate our program. We have here begin using if-else statement. Inside of the parentheses, console out hello world in C++ without semicolon enables us to display this text on the screen without a semicolon. And then we have here open and close parentheses, no content at all. And then we have here return 0, return to our operating system, and then we close now with the right curly bracket. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go with our online compiler. Basically, I'm using onlinegdb.com to run the program. Let us click the run button to execute the program. Okay, so hello world in C++ without semicolon. Okay, so if we want to change the text inside, we may do so now. Let's say for example, C++ programming for everyone. Okay, so the word is C++ programming for everyone. Let us click the run button. We have here the output, C++ programming for everyone. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on hello world in C++ without semicolon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.